Finally, fresh air. Ready for coffee?
Yes, let's go. I need caffeine.
Uh, what's wrong?
Wait. Oh no, I don't have my wallet.
You don't have your wallet?
Yeah, I forgot my wallet in the dorm.
Seriously? You forgot it inside?
Yes. No wallet, no cash, no coffee.
So you're saying no wallet today?
Exactly. No wallet today.
Wanna go back and get it?
We're already outside. Too late now.
Then today will be a challenge.
A challenge? What's a challenge?
A challenge is something difficult, but we try to do it, like a hard task.
So a challenge means a hard things to try.
Yes, that's right. And today is our challenge.
Okay, but how we can survive without cash?
Survive just means keep going, continue. Not die, just live one day with no money.
Oh, okay. So survive means just continue, not die.
Exactly.
Huh, though without cash. This is going to be interesting.
Don't worry. I have another way.
Another way? What way?
You'll find out at the coffee shop.
This is the end. No wallet, no cash, no coffee.
Watch me.
Watch you? You have money?
No, not cash. I'll use points.
Points? What do you mean, points?
Every time you buy coffee here, you collect points. After 10 cups, you get one free.
Oh, so points are like free money from the shop.
Exactly. Points are rewards. You don't pay cash, you use points.
Oh, so I can say, can I use my points to pay for a coffee?
Perfect. That's the question.
Can I use my points to pay for a coffee?
Great. And when they say yes, you add, I'll have a latte, please.
I'll have a latte, please. Hey, this works.
See, surviving without cash is possible.
Wait, so survive here means keep going, continue, right?
Yes, we can keep going even without cash.
Nice! Free coffee feels even better.
Not free, remember? It's your points. Invisible money.
Invisible money. I like that. I still can't believe it. Coffee without cash.
Don't relax yet. Listen, do you hear that sound?
Music. Oh, street music.
Yes. Look, two guitar players and a man with a drum.
They sound really good.
And the kids are dancing too.
Exactly. A free concert. Front row seats, $0.
Front row seats $0?
Yes, you don't pay. You just enjoy.
So I can say front row seats $0.
Perfect.
Front row seats $0.
And here's another fun phrase: zero cash, zero guilt.
Zero cash, zero guilt? What does it mean?
It means no money, no problem. For example, when you try free food samples in the supermarket, zero cash, zero guilt.
Oh, so zero cash, zero guilt means enjoy for free, no stress.
Exactly.
Coffee, free music, and happy kids dancing. Zero cash, zero guilt.
Perfect summary. Now, let's see what's next. That music was fun. Now, let's go to an open house.
Open house? You mean we can just walk in?
Yes, it's free. You only sign your name. No payment.
Do I need to pay?
No, it's free. You just write your name.
So I can say, do I need to pay? And the answer is no, it's free.
Perfect. Now, let's go inside.
Wow, this living room is huge.
Pretend it's your house. Say, "This is my living room."
This is my living room. Nice.
Now, look at the window. The view is amazing.
Oh, yes. I can see the trees and garden, so I can say the view is beautiful. And this kitchen, it's so big.
Yes. Say, "The kitchen is modern and clean."
The kitchen is modern and clean. I like this.
See? Open houses are free lessons for English too.
Zero cash, zero guilt, and a big kitchen.
All this walking makes me hungry.
Perfect timing. Let's try McDonald's.
McDonald's? But I still have no cash.
Don't worry. McDonald's has points too.
Points again? How?
Every time you buy food with their app, you collect points. Later, you can use them for a meal.
So I can say, can I use my points for a meal?
Exactly. That's the question.
Can I use my points for a meal?
Perfect. And when they say yes, you add, "I'd like a combo, please."
I'd like a combo, please. Easy.
Careful. Points are low. Maybe only a small combo.
Oh, then I can say, I'd like a small combo, please.
Excellent. You just saved lunch.
Wow. Points coffee, points lunch.
Yes, invisible money again.
I like invisible money. Zero cash, zero guilt.
Just don't forget your wallet next time. Lunch was a success. Now, let's go to IKEA.
IKEA? But I have no cash.
Don't worry, we are not buying, just looking.
Just looking.
Say, "We can't buy anything. We are just looking."
We can't buy anything. We are just looking.
Perfect. That's how you explain window shopping.
Window shopping? What does that mean?
It means looking at things but not buying.
Oh, so window shopping equals just looking.
Exactly.
This sofa is comfortable. Can I say this is my sofa?
Yes, pretend it's yours. Free imagination.
Okay, this is my sofa. Zero cash, zero guilt.
Good. IKEA is the best for that.
But if I really want to buy something,
Then you need your wallet.
right, I forgot my wallet. Again.
Exactly. Today, it's all just looking.
Finally, the park. What a long day.
Yes, and we did it. A whole day without cash.
True, it was possible.
But was it comfortable?
No, it wasn't comfortable, but it was funny.
We had points coffee, points lunch, free music, an open house, and IKEA window shopping.
Right. Coffee, music, house, food, furniture, all without cash.
So you're saying points saved the day.
Exactly. Points saved the day.
But remember, it wasn't really free.
Right. Invisible money.
Yes, invisible money from the past when you paid before.
Still, it feels like magic today.
Zero cash, zero guilt, at least for one day.
One day was fun, but tomorrow I want my wallet back.
Good idea. A day without cash was enough.
Lesson learned, always check my pockets before leaving.
Exactly. That's the real challenge.